Now that your brain is active, you will listen carefully to me because I'm going to talk about something very important. What is that? How to avoid it. Very good, Adish. We need more people like you. Okay. How to avoid procrastination. Can you guys think about it? Because I know you guys are smart. You guys actually know how to avoid it, how to get over it by yourself. It is just that you need someone to tell you and guide you through it. Okay, so I'm gonna be that person for you. I'm gonna be your mentor for the day and I'm gonna help you guys understand it. But one thing, guys, one thing I want you to realize, unless you decide it from your heart, you listen to my lectures. Shimon sir's motivations is amazing. I love his motivation. I want to listen to him. I will listen to 1,000 videos of Shimon sir motivating. But still, you will not get over it. And that is not my point. My point is not to make you come and watch my video again so that I'll get more views. I'll get happy. Okay, but that's not the point. I want you guys to get out of your problem. And the biggest and the most important factor, if I have to tell in one word, is you have to like it. You have to be determined about your goal. There can be many driving factors. For some people, it might be your parents. Okay, some of my students have lost their parents during COVID. And that kind of, energized them like anything. They are like, studying with anger, rage and passion. You can be in a very bad financial situation. You can take that as a motivation. Sir, I want to make my parents live a good life. I am the eldest one in my family. I want to take my brothers and sisters to a better life. I want to be in a good college, sir. I want to be respected. I want my family, my relatives, my society should respect me. So you need to find what drives you. And you know what? One of my friend, right, when I was in 11th and 12th, there was a guy called Kannan. That's his real name, okay? So there was a guy called Kannan in my school, and he prepared very hard because he liked the girl, okay? So he had a crush, a very big crush on a girl, and she was probably the prettiest girl in school, you can say that. And he wanted to get into IIT and impress her. So he wanted to get into a good college and get a good rank so that she will be impressed with him. And you know what? He did it. He did it. He got a better rank than even me. He got a better rank than me. Okay. So people can find inspiration from anything. I'm not saying that you have to go and do that, but there should be some driving force. There should be some driving force. And guys, I'm not even kidding. That was his driving force. My driving force was, I was not financially great. So we were not great. We had a very normal, lower middle class or middle class upbringing. And we wanted to break out of that. I wanted to become better. I wanted to, make my parents live better. So that kind of driving force can also be there for some of you. So you need to find that. If I have to put it in one word, you need a driving force and you should be convinced with that. I cannot say anything because whatever I say, 100 videos I can take. I can take how to avoid motivation, how to beat laziness, how to be a rock star, how to be a superstar, how to go from here to Pluto. But unless you dream it, unless you want it, you cannot do it. Okay.